In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Pandadoc to contacts. To begin, make sure you are signed in and looking at your main dashboard. Along the left side of the screen, you will see the navigation menu. Find and click Contacts. This is where all of your saved people and organizations are stored, and it is also where you will bring in new contact information. Once you are on the Contacts page, look for the Import option and click it. Importing is useful when you already have contacts saved somewhere else, and you want to bring them into this system quickly, instead of retyping everything one by one. After you click Import, you will be asked to choose where you want to import from. Select Google Contacts. This option connects to the contacts you already keep in your Google account, which can save a lot of time and reduce mistakes. Follow the prompts on screen to allow access, if you are asked. The goal here is simply to confirm the connection so the import can complete successfully. If you do not want to import from Google Contacts, or if you only need to add 1 or 2 people, you can also add a contact manually. This is a good choice when the information is not stored anywhere else yet, or when you want full control over exactly what gets entered. When adding a contact manually, start by typing the first name and last name, then enter the phone number, and then the email address. Take your time as you enter each field so the details are accurate, since correct contact information helps with follow-ups, document sending, and keeping your records clean. If you have more information available, you can also add extra details, such as an address, a company name, or a job title. These optional fields are helpful for keeping contacts organized, especially when you work with multiple people at the same company or manage a larger list over time. Once you finish importing from Google Contacts or entering the information manually, your contact will be added to your list, and you are all set. And that is all there is to it.